Hi, if you're looking for furniture repairs in Dallington, you've come to the right video. Here are some of the items that we get in a regular basis. Wobbly chairs is a very, very common issue that we solve here at the Fix It factory. We also have a lot of cabinetry. Let me show you. I've got things like tabletops, coffee tops, etcetera, cabinets like this Vietnamese cabinet with hot marks on it and indentations from bottles, etc. This is like a receptionist type desk. Bits of moulding that go missing and then restaining so that you can't see that they've been replaced. We completely strip and restore and repair furniture all types and refinish them back in either varnish or in French polish them back to life. This is some varnish being stripped off a round coffee table and a small coffee table there. I think this is a small bench. It's just being refinished again, and you can see the excellent results that we can achieve. We have over 40 5-star reviews with Google, and many of those comments are they're over the moon with the quality of the work that Phil carries out. We provide a free quotation. You can see there with all the scratches, etc., and then it's completely sanded back, right back, and then it's completely restored back to new. So if you'd like a free quote on any of your furniture items, whether they're indoor furniture or outdoor furniture, there should be a link somewhere on this video or in the description box below, which will take you to the Fix It Factory website, and you can find out more information there. We're open on Saturdays, which is very convenient. Check out the times on the website. So whether it's a dining room table, a bench, an outside bench, or a Vietnamese cabinetry, or a chest of drawers that's got a hole in it, you can see that we've done the top of that Vietnamese cabinet and fix the workbench, and we can French polish and refinish back to a beautiful standard, so that you can carry on using your furniture for many years to come. So click on the link, go over to the website, and if you can take a photograph of the item, that would be useful, and we can provide a free quotation.